નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Today we have to start from the fourth point. The name of the point is alternative use of the resources. The resources to satisfy the demands are limited. Now what happened that, dear children? We know that the resources are satisfy the demands and these demands are limited. Not only this, there were alternative uses also. When any tool of the production may be utilized in more than one way, it means that the tool has multiple uses. Now what they have to given that? They have to given that whenever you have to use any tool for the production, then tool may be used for the more than one way. It means you are using for the multiple uses. So it may be said that this uses is alternative. For example, if wheat is sown in the land, bajra, maize, groundnut or any other yield cannot be cultivated. Other uses of the land has to be the stops. Now what they have to given that? They have to given that whenever you have to use for the alternative use of resources, if you are doing in agriculture field, the production of wheat is sown in the land, then bajra, maize, groundnut or any other yield cannot be the cultivated, and other uses of the land has to be the stops. Thus, in the above mentioned condition, the distribution of factor of production is done in such a way that they satisfy to the maximum possible demand. Now, what happened that? They have to given that regarding with the distribution of the factor of production is done in such way that they have to satisfy the maximum possible demands. Now our next topic is regarding with the method of allocating the resources. Every nation try to attain the speedy economic development by making the best possible allocation of resources. Now what they have to given that? They have to given that every nation attain the speedy economic development. Then how you have to do the speedy economic development? By making the best possible allocation of resources. Allotment of resources is mainly done by the two methods. Now what happened that any nation can allocate the resources on the mainly on the basis of two methods. One is a market mechanism and second one is a social system. These two method, on the basis of these two method, any nation allotment of the resources was to be done. Both the system are opposite of each other. Dear children, be careful here. What they have to given that? They have to given that both system are opposite with each other. With both system, market mechanism and socialist system. By mingling both system, many other method has to be the developed. Now what happened there? They have to given that by mingling it means आपस में मिलना, mix of both the system, other method have also the developed. Every country except one or the other method as per their requirement. Now what happened that here? Every nation accept as per the requirement their method. And the following is the explanation of the method of the allotment of the resources are to be the given. Now first system they have to given about the market system. Which system? Market system. Nation like America, Japan, etc. have made their economic development through the market system. Now dear children, what happened that here they have to given the name of the nation. Which nation? America, Japan. The old nation have accept the market system through which they have to develop the economic development. And market system is also called the capitalist system. Dear children, be careful. What was the another name of the market system? They have to given that. They have to say that market system is also known as the capitalist system. In this method, the process of resources of allocation is done on the basis of profit scope. Now what happened there? In this capitalist system, the maximum allocation of that resources is done on the basis of their profit scope. In this system, the production and its related activity of the profit is in center. Now what happened there? Here, the main aim of the production activity is only the profit, and the people invest in those industry where they find the more scope of the profit. Now what happened that in capitalist system? In capitalist system, the people are doing their investment on those industry who have provide a more scope of profit. That's why market is completely free in this system. Government does not have any specific economic policy or does not play any role in this method. It means now what happened that in capitalist system, the government does not pay any specific economic policy and does not play any role in this method. Here the competition plays a vital role in this market system. Now what happened there? In this market system, it means in here the capitalist system, you have to see that here the huge competition plays the important role. In this competition market, the owner has to increase their working capacity to great extent in order to obtain the maximum profit. Now what happened there, dear children? Here the owner of the industry try to increase their working capacity through which they have to gain their maximum profit. Because of this method, many new research are done and new method of the production are created. That's why what happened that in capitalist system or in market system, here new research are done as well as the new method of the production are created. So production is the maximum in the market system or capitalist system. Because of this fast economic development of the countries take place. Thus, competition controls the whole market like an invisible hand. Now, what happened there, dear children? Here, you have to see that the huge competition is there. Now, the competition control the whole market like the one kind of the invisible hand. What was the meaning of invisible hand? It means you have to not see here the hands. That's why the state does not interfere. That's why what happened then? Here the state does not interfere. It means the government is not doing the interference in this system. And this system is also known as the free economy. Now, dear children, see these three words are given. One is a market system. After they have to say that capitalist system. After they have also said that this system is also known as the free economic system. Now they have to given about the features of the market mechanism system. First, ownership of resources of production is either individual or private. Now what happened there? Here in capitalist system, the ownership of these resources of the production in the hands of individual or on the hands of the private sector. Second one, profit is at the center of economic activity in the market system. Now what happened there? In this capitalist system or market system, the main aim of any industry is only the profit. That's why the profit is the main center of economic activity. Consumer get good opportunity of choice. Now what happened there? In this market, the consumer have many alternative products are to be available. Why? Because in this market you have to see that the competition is there. Government interference is not there in this system. Now what happened that in capitalist system, the government is not doing the more interference in this system. What was the meaning of the interference? Interference, it means hastachep karna. Distribution of resources is based on the profit. Now what happened there? In this capitalist system, the distribution of these resources is done on the basis of the profit. Here, the economic decisions are taken while keeping the price mechanism in mind. Now what happened there? Here, whatever the decision of the economic are to be taken at that time, the price mechanism in his mind. What was the meaning of the mechanism? Mechanism, it means the tantra, government. That's why what happened that whenever the any kind of the decision was to be taken, that time they have to more focus on the price. After they have to given about the benefits of the market mechanism system. Economic freedom of individual is protected in the market system. Now what happened that in this market system the individual protection is available into the market system. Second one, resources of production are utilized to the greatest extent and efficiently. What happened that in market system? In market system, you have to see that here what happened that the maximum resources of the production are to be utilized in the greatest way. Third one, abundant production may be done. What was the meaning of the abundance? Abundance, it means the more, zyada. Same way here the more production may be done into the market mechanism system. Fourth one, new exploration keep on taking place continuously in economies. Now what happened that here they have to given that new exploration. Exploration, it means new kinds of the research was to be done in this continuous economy. As a result, the economic development become the faster. And fifth one, quality of the things improve because of the competition. Now what happened that in this system you have to find the huge competition is there in this market system. That's why you have to see that the quality of the product for the best one, and that's why that get the good benefit for the consumer. Now after they have to given about the limitations of the market mechanism system. In spite of having the many benefits, the market system is not perfect. Now what happened that already we have to learn that features of market system. After benefit of market system, now they have to given about that here the some limitations are there, and that limitation they have to given that here in spite of having many benefit, the market system is not the perfect. There are the many disadvantages and limitations on it. It means here you have to find that so many disadvantages are there in the market mechanism system, which are as follow. First one, because of keeping the profit in the center of the production, the commodities are produced in more quantity, and production of the luxurious commodities of the basic requirement is neglected or reduced. Now what happened that, dear children, we already know that in market system the maximum people are focused on the profit making, and that's why what happened that here the more production of the luxurious commodities are there. Because of the luxurious commodity, the many industry earn the more profit, and that's why the many industry neglect the production of the basic requirements. Second one, because of the lack of policy related to the role of state, natural resources are wasted. Here what happened that we know that here the government interference is not there, and that's why what happened that here the resources are to be the wastage. Third one, due to the lack of knowledge and ignorance about the market, the consumer are to be the exploited. What was the meaning of exploited? Exploited, it means the शोषित करना. Here what happened that sometime the consumer have no knowledge about the product and awareness. That's why the consumer are to be exploited in this market, and we know that the producer is only focused on the profit making. That's why they are also doing the price in the highest rate for the selling their product. Due to the centralization of property and income, there is an increase in disparity of the income. Now what happened there? Here the centralization of property, here you have to see that increase in disparity of the income. Disparity of the income, it means the differentiation. What was the meaning of disparity? In Hindi, asamanta. It means here you have to see that richer become richer in their property and poorer become the poorer in their property. That's why here what happened that you have to see that increase in disparity of the income. and there is the fear of monopoly, economic instability, and exploitation of the labor. Now, thank you for joining us.